What's up, y'all? It's your boy Roy Moy III, and you're tuned into another episode of Life of the Third. Today, you guessed it, you read the title, we're doing a shoe unboxing of Air Jordan 1 Mids. I cannot wait to show y'all these shoes, but I have to confess something. You probably already seen them. I already unboxed these shoes in 2020, and I think I posted some pics of them on the gram, but I wanted to talk about them and I wanted to show them to you here on the vlog Life of the Third. So let's jump into it right now.
So I believe your word is true, your word is true. Promise keeper through and through, yes that is true. You said you'd never ever leave nor forsake me. Promise keeper through and through. I believe your word is true, your word is true.
All right. So we got the box here with the Jordan Jumpman logo, classic, famous, we all know it, right? And I'm really not big on Jordans. I don't have a lot in my shoe collection per se, if we want to call it that. I don't know if it's a collection, but I've always wanted Air Jordan 1s and Air Jordan 11s. So I don't have 11s yet. Can't wait to vlog about those when I get them. Maybe later this year for my birthday, maybe next year, who knows? Jordans are pricey, as we all know. So that's another reason why I'm not a huge Jordan head, because I'm like, dang, $300 for a pair of shoes? That's pricey. So usually I'm not really buying Jordans, but copped these last year. I love them. I started out with the Air Jordan 1 Mids. I'm a high top person, so I really want the high tops, but once again, talking about that price, that shmoney. So I said, let's go with the mids, start out with that, and the colorway was really dope. So let me show you, like I always do. All right, so we got size 12. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, white, hyper, royal black, and yeah, these are dope. So let's open the box, see what's inside. Got your little nice little 23 paper here, and these are still pretty clean for me wearing them. Look at this. Look at these right here. Come on, come on. They crispy, y'all. They crispy. Let me set the box down right here. So I've worn them, as I said, but these are dope. These are so dope. Crispy. Show you the bottoms, probably a little, it still looks fresh blue. You know, got the colorway on too. I think this is the outfit I posted in too. Here's the back. Focusing on that camera. Sometimes the camera don't be wanting to focus. We got that little logo here on the side. All right, let's pull the other one out. Same sort of thing going on here, super crispy. I love this colorway. You know, blue's my favorite color. Got the Jumpman on this logo right here. You can see, yeah, here's the bottom on this one. They're actually still in really good condition, even though I've been wearing them. So super dope, super dope. Yeah, man, so they fit comfortably too. They were a little snug when I first put them on, but they're fitting really well now, and I'm really liking them. I know I keep looking at the shoes instead of looking at y'all, my bad. But anyway, so you know, we're always gonna do an on-feet review and show you the shoes on feet, but you know, they're pretty comfortable. How much did these run me? I think these were 140, I think they were 140. So this is my point, that if I was gonna get the high tops, they were probably gonna be $300, and I just wasn't ready for that. So anyway, these are crispy, these are cool, these are fresh. I love them with the colorway that I got on right now. Look, I look like I'm an Instagram ad. Anyway, so these are the Air Jordan 1 Mids. I'm gonna do an on-feet review and check them out. But anyway, I wanna say thank you so much for subscribing, y'all. We are like almost 100 subscribers away from 1,000, and you know I've been trying to reach that goal. So subscribe, comment, like, hit the thumbs up button for notifications. I'm gonna be releasing some videos about Colorado later this year, the trip I took last year. It's a whole vlog on that, so you'll be excited to see that new content and other stuff. So be sure to subscribe. Thank you for supporting, and until next time, this is Life of the Third, Jordan edition. What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Life of the Third. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, like this video, and comment below. Can't wait to continue to bring you more content on this vlog. Y'all have a great one. My God is great. Peace.